So this is the app that I'm using, for mostly for my cooking things. uh it has all the details that you can need, for the recipes. For example, let's check the boerewors rolls recipe. As you can see, these are the recipes it has. Then from there, these are the steps that it has. It is easy to use, and it essentially has all the steps that you'll need to cook a certain recipe that you clicked on. And another thing about it is it has about rates, so it is not loaded with too many advertisements in it. You see, and then I click on steps, I scroll up, and then just like that. So yeah, please do click the link in the description below, and yeah, hope you enjoy the app as I do enjoy it.